and today we are trying, like, we have this magic slime thingy and we bought it from a store and then we used it. Then me and my sister really like sticked it in our t-shirt, and my sister sticked it and went off easily, and mine is caught, mine not caught, and mine didn't go. And look how stain is.
We tried it with like a tissue, and the tissue also stuck to it. Look at how big stain that is. I don't know how this.
I'm gonna stick.
Scratch it.
Should I put
This is not caught. This is not something like that. I think I put much color.
Should I just put baking water?
Yes. Alright, look at this, guys.
Alright, three, two.
God, that's so easy.
I'm gonna put it inside.
Never tried this, guys. Never tried it. Because he has a big belly, guys. Let's say.
No, I don't.
Move.
Alright, guys, don't just, don't just look at
Ignore
this.
this.
Yeah,
Ignore
just
this.
ignore this.
Right.
Ah!
Oh my God. You wanna get that stuck into the tube? Oh.
Guys, it's kind of going.
I thought it's gonna get stuck to it. Wait, I don't know where's my magic cutter.
Should I do this soap?
I don't know. It's your choice. Just don't add me in any of this. I'm just trying to help in here. Not.
I already know. That tumbler just gave me an idea.
You know the English word of that? Okay. You can take another one.
I just got the best idea. Just give me that tumbler.
Go. I'm gonna fill it with water. Guys, alright? So I can put it.
I'm just gonna dip this.
Get off it!
I'm gonna dip my stain in the water. Am I creative?
Not creative anymore. Guys, we had to let this dry for some time.
Bro, don't shake it.
Whoa! Oh my God, bro, I should not add soup to it.
No, I didn't.
It's a best way to waste slime, guys. The best way to waste slime. Actually, I'll try this. Let it go. Oh my God, so just touch this. He's so slippery.
Oh my god, guys, so slippery. Look at that. Just
Take it.
now it's time to.
Ugh.
Can you just take like a towel and come?
Yes, just don't use my towel.
Just look at this. It literally sticks. My t-shirt is really getting ruined. Dude, look at this. It's so slippery.
Can I slip it? Can I slip it? Oh my God, it's so disgusting, bro.
I'm just gonna wrap around it like a wraparound skirt.
Yes.
Dude, the towel's getting stuck in it. What? Hey, we don't need fan. Just off it. It just blows it out. Alright, guys. Oh my god. Do off the light. It has to go out.
Okay. I thought you wanted it.
Alright, guys. So
I have this side instead.
alright, cool. Guys, the stain is actually really big.
Help me, bro.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna go to the restroom, like in the. Oh, it's so cold. Did you lock it? Dude! Oh, thank God. Guys, let me tell you this. This is our last video. We're going to Shimla. Peace.
Maybe this is
Hold this. Hold it like this. I don't know how to hold it. Oh my God, dude, you almost cut to the camera. Like this and stuff. Okay. So don't judge our bottom. It's kind of dirty. Come in. Okay, can you please hold the
Okay,
camera?
bro, we're never gonna buy these slimes, okay?
I'm telling you, okay?
Alright, good. I get ready. We'll do this for fun.
Oh God, guys. Look at that
Look
guy.
at me. Look at the camera.
He's totally soaked.
Okay, I can't hold the second one. Can you please hold it?
No, I can't. I have wet hands.
Dude, why are you
let's just.
Show me.
Okay. Are you getting out of the bathroom now?
Nope.
Yeah, I just made this big suitcase, guys, for Shimla. I'm so dramatic right now, guys, because I just don't want to be inside the bathroom with you.
I'm literally soaking my tissue.
Can you
I'm soaking.
I need something else, guys. What happened? Oh my god, I think you had to remove that thing. Oh my god, that's mine!
Oh.
I wasn't trying to give you it. Is this slippery?
Yeah, I'm trying to do soap.
I think I'm just going to make it even worse with soap, guys.
No, I'm supposed to wash everything off. Oh my god, bro.
Look at my t-shirt right now.
Oh my god. I can wash everything. I show you the actual results. What happened with soap. What, guys? Right?
Oh, can you just hold the camera?
Soap.
Guys, seriously, guys. He's being so dramatic, guys, seriously.
Bro, come back. Literally, like, do like this.
So the water comes out. All excess water comes out.
It tastes literally like the same thing.
Just hold the camera like this.
No, bro, my hands are wet.
You know what? Just give it to me. Hey guys, wet hands. Like, look at this thing. It's the same thing. I never used slime. Slime can get this hard. I'll just move this big suitcase, guys.
It's so.
We're doing it again.
Guys, it just doesn't go. I don't know what to do. Wait, why do I? Yeah.
We're still wearing that stupid hair. Look at this, guys.
Hey,
Don't judge that, guys. Just don't mind. Oh my god, bro. You're just making it even worse. You're better at that time.
guys, never put slime on your dress.
Let's try this. Let's try this, bro.
But it literally scams us, I think.
No, bro. You just should not put it on your clothes.
That's
It's not
all.
scanning.
You were like good like the whole entire time, but this ruined it.
Yeah. Guys, look at this. This is supposed to stain my brother, but it's not my brother's slime, it's my slime. And the same thing can prove it. So
Where's mine?
this is my brother's slime.
Wait a minute.
This is the slime that's stained my brother.
Should I try this? Whatever you made this.
Yeah.
I'll try it.
Oh god. I think that's definitely gonna go.
With mine?
Yeah.
The nice stain?
Yeah. I think your stain's gonna go because of it. Maybe. I don't know that, but it's
I think the inside is what I had to do mainly.
actually should we have actually? Is it gone? Inside? Oh, I can feel it sliding. Put some soap in it. Guys, this is the worst thing that we had ever done.
Yeah.
And if we don't get it off, what?
Me.
I mean, you. Okay, so my
I
brother's
think the stain is gone, only the soap is isn't it?
yeah, I think it's gone. Wait, actually, should be that. You put it on the back side of the soap, right? Show me. Let me see what this is.
It's gain. It's
No, look at the back. This is so much in the back. What were you thinking, bro? It's magic.
Never try it on your shoes. Okay.
Just don't try it at home. That is your stuck like me.
Just use some toilet water.
Yeah, like $1 million slime and never stick on. My worst idea ever.
What? What idea?
Oh. Alright guys. They're totally gone. They're totally gone. Try it.
Okay. Let's take it back. Let's just like a little bit here. Not like here.
Oh yeah. Guys, we can do it.
You wanna do it again?
Let's try it again.
You wanna slide it?
No, I'm never gonna do that. My whole time life. Do it. Right. I hope it's finally gone. Yep. It's gone, right?
What is it here? Under the shirt.
No, that's not.
What is it here?
No, it's not. No, it's not. Hold the camera. My hand is wet. Hold it. Like literally. Hold it. Where's the towels? It's inside the kitchen.
I don't know who put the towel inside the kitchen.
It's just me.
Hi, and the problem is me.
Now we just gotta draw it. I think this is successful. Oh my god. I just gotta clean my hands so I can hold the camera. There, bro, come on, bro. Guys, just don't judge about it. Yeah.
Where did you put the white chocolate?
I didn't take it.
It was in your lunch bag.
I don't know. I didn't see the car.
Oh, you
Alright, guys. We're getting everything off. Let's use the hair dryer to dry it quick. No. Alright, guys. Alright, so Mom's there. She's waiting. No? Alright, cool.
keep it like on the shirt. Like, put it on the shirt.
What is this small thing?
That's what I'm telling you about. Like, put it like this. On the shirt.
Oh my god, it's so hot. No.
Like, at the top. It automatically
Do you want some?
Cool. Put like,
Oh!
like from the top.
Okay. Oh my god, it's so heaty.
From the top. Not from here.
Like this.
This
Oh yes. Oh my god, it's burning, bro. It's
Like
burning.
I said, like put the hair right on top of your shirt, not under your shirt. Top of your shirt. Like that.
It burned it. What are you doing? It literally burned it. I think
That-
it's gone.
Oh my god, it's just, I never
This is
knew.
my favorite color.
I just want it for swimming, it's not going outside shirt.
I really liked it. You're so dumb, you little rat.
I never did anything. You're the one who put the hair right.
You told me to. So I never trust you.
You know this happened to me, okay?
Now I had to stitch this. I had to stitch this. Alright guys, sit back please. This is all what you need to do for a burnt shirt.
Just don't do the hair right part. Just what's this?
Alright guys.
Just take a stupid slap out of your hair now.
I don't know. I'm never touching that again. Alright guys, that's it. Alright guys, this is my free hair. Yo. Alright guys. This is what you need to do to get your... You need to burn your t-shirt, right?
This
Alright.
is what you need to do to make your t-shirt the worst thing in your life and to burn it.
Alright, cool. Alright guys, so we'll see you guys next time. Peace. I think my mom's gonna like do something to me. Alright, guys.
Okay.
Peace out.
Where's your mom gonna rely?
I don't know, guys.
She's gonna.
Alright, guys. We'll see you guys next time.
Adios, amigos.
Adios, amigos.
Play?
What?
Wanna play?
No. I'm not literally going.
Magic slime.
Peace, bro. What? You have to stay in the room. Go inside. I don't want!
Okay.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Bro. Alright, guys, see you guys. Peace out. Woo!